women's work and equality. As we have seen, the low value attached to women's household and caregiving work is not an individual or a family matter. Not only in my own family, not like that. It is general phenomenon in India, not only India, many countries. It is a part of a larger system of the inequality between men and women. If therefore, therefore has to be dealt with through actions, not just at the level of the individual or the family, but also by a government. If it is, this is a common phenomena in the everywhere in the country, then government want to take some policies or programs for the change in the society. Individually we can help our mother, we can make like give respect, and at the same time wherever we are going we can give like some respect to the mother of that house, like that, or we can take some small gift with them. At least drawing thanks card you can make and give to the to your mother weekly once, or make something special to them, like that you can show your respect or you are valuing her, like that you can show it. Not only that one, with that government also want to think. As we now know, equality is an important principle of our constitution. We are saying, like the last year we have seen the basic principles of democratic India or democracy. In that we have seen equality is the one of the important principle. And if we are saying like that it is an important principle of our constitution, then we want to make some arrangement to enjoy the equality for the ladies also. And the constitution says that being male or female should not become a reason for discrimination. But think about your family condition, because you are a girl child or your mother is a girl lady, that's why they are getting any discrimination or not. Yes, it is there in our society, but the constitution says like that we should not make any discrimination on the basis of any reason. It may be religion, or it may be caste, or it may be gender, like that discrimination should not make. In reality, inequality between the sex exists, still it is there, and it is in full-fledged form we can see in the society. And government is therefore committed to understanding the reasons for this and taking positive steps to remedy the situation. Their government is trying for the solve this problem of the of our society to reduce the inequality. And for example, it recognizes that burden of child care and housework fall on a woman and girls. This naturally has an impact on whether girls can attend school, and it determines whether women can work outside the house and what kind of job and career they can have. That's why government what they means, the mother is working in the double work in the housework as well as outside. Then if the child is there as a 2-year-old or a 3-year-old child, how the mother can work outside, or how she will get the burden, or the elder children they are looking after the small kid, means how they will attend school, like that problems are there. So what government is doing, government arranged Anganwadis. The government has set up Anganwadis, please underline, for child care or child care centers in several villages in the country. We can see in every village panchayat ward there is Anganwadis. Not municipality, it is not that much, but in some area we can see Anganwadis are there even in municipality ward. But Gram Panchayat ward, in every wards we are having the Anganwadi or child care centers. And the government has passed law and that make it is mandatory for the organization that have more than 30 women employees to provide crèche facilities. If it is in the school or factory, if there is 30 ladies, it is really now 20 ladies. If there is more than 20 or 30 ladies, then there should be a service center of what looking after the small kid. And if the workers having or not having, but if the workers are 30 and more, then there should be a crèche facility. Then the provision of crèches helps many women to take up employment outside the home. If in the factory or in the school, if the mother is getting a crèche facility to look after the small kid of that mother, then normally they will get better chance to work outside. and it also makes it possible for more girls to attend school also. Means the elder girls, they can go and attend the school. So what are the provisions taken by the government? First, they passed made Anganwadis and child care centers. Second one, it made like that crutches for the in the companies or in the schools where we can see more than 30 ladies are working. And what is the advantages of that one? Because of that, ladies can go outside and work, and they can earn money, and they can support their family. And here it is given some of the work of the ladies, you can see in the textbook, and you can understand that one. Then poster was created by the women's group in Bengal, and the women's group, they made one poster like that. Can you write an interesting slogan for the poster? They made poster for that. It is the language written upside, that is Bangla language. So you want to, what you want to make? You want to make a heading for that name for that poster. You can see like your mother, what all things she is doing. She is washing clothes, and she is cleaning your house and cooking food and loving you people, and helping you people for study, and giving medicine to you people, and making writing some letters to your relatives, or making the list of the things what you want to make, and going to temple also, like that many works. And with the same time, she is looking after a small kid and carrying water. Like this your mothers are working. So you want to, what you want to make? You want to make a heading for this poster. At the same time, we can see one of the stamp we made like that for gender equality, that is Sustainable Development Goal SDG, and that you will get the details from this site. It is given the site www.in.undp.org, that is government site. You will get the details. Then one of the Anganwadi, it is working in Madhya Pradesh, that picture also given in the textbook. And textbook question answer we already I have sent to you people, and we discussed the glossary also. By this we are stopping the lesson. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.